Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we just upgraded the Windows 10 to Windows 11, and there are a bunch of bugs. I mean, literally a bunch of bugs. And the first thing first, I will just talk about first the interface. And as you can see, they significantly changed the total taskbar. Like they bring it in the middle, and the thing is this any other animations or any other things, they are changing pretty much interestingly. Like if I press this, as you can see, the opening and the closing system is changed a lot, and which means the graphics is actually working perfect here. And the other thing is you can change, you can look at the change right here. Yeah, they merge the sound system and the network system all together. Most of the case they didn't on other windows, they never was in all together, but this isn't a big issue. The main thing I am facing, the issue I'm recently facing, like if I just open the voice recorder app, and as you can see, this voice recorder app wasn't like this before. And as well, what just happened? Okay, hold on. Well, hold on. Well, this can be real. Well, when the voice recorder updated, man, holy moly, this was the recordings was from the Windows 10. I'm fucking serious. I can't be able to record after got the update, and the voice recorder just got updated. I didn't press the update, but this was the first issue. Like I can't be able to record with the built-in recorder. This was one of the major problem, and they updated it. Well, okay, I don't know what is happening, but well, get back to the topic. Like we was in the we was in the let's talk about the interface here. Yeah, as you can see, the total interface is like they changed it by the colors, and they are identical, but I'm not used to this. We just love to be mm, perceived like in one color, like in the blue, sorry, that wasn't the blue, in the yellow. And yeah, they changed it a lot, and the funny thing is I can't be able to refresh it from there. I'll have to go to the show more option, and then I'll have to refresh it. This kinda sucks, but well, we'll have to update it. Like yeah, so if I press F10, there, hold on, if I press F10, well, F10, okay, this didn't even work. But the topic I was in, like I has the issue for the voice recorder, and I had in other issues, like I can't remember right now. Holy fuck, what a video this can be. Okay, uh, going back to the topic, like oh my goodness, I am losing my words. But well, the main thing I actually enjoyed in the Windows 11. The main thing is like the sounds, the notification, the other animation sounds was pretty much smoothing. I mean, it actually hearing very cool. Like I will let you know what type of sounds in there, so hopefully you will also love it. But the thing is, the sounds are actually made pretty beautifully, and I really love that sounds. And let's talk about the other issues. Like here, uh, these are identicals, like all these are the sames, but they updated in the mobile version, like more of the version from the iOS. I mean, if you have the iPads or iPhones, you can certainly feel this type of settings. Like if I press this, like yeah, these are opening like smoothly and more spontaneously. They are much more faster than the other windows, and other things like they added the Bluetooth. So that's one of the best addition. Like well, Windows action security actions recommended. Okay, we'll have to update the security option. We'll check this out later. But as you can see, I have the better motherboard, so I have the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi option. So this is very much helpful. And the Windows 11 actually going more like the mobile type. I mean, you can be able to run any other applications which actually running in mobile. They are actually moving forward on that way. I as my brain says. So I think this is a good option, but okay, we'll have to figure it out later. And so far, the performance of Windows 11 is not that bad. I'm pretty much I'm pretty much impressed, but with the issue only with the voice recorder. Else, everything was fine. And if I have other issues, I will let you know. But that's all from today, guys. So if you will enjoy the video, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.